At a young age, many of us were taught that telling a lie is absolutely bad. Yet as we grow up, we slowly become exposed to small white lies, those told to keep us from becoming upset or sad. And even as we get older and become adults, well-meaning lies are often told to shield us from criticism or hardship. But is telling a lie the right thing to do? When we tell white lies, parents use them to prevent a child from feeling upset, but that makes us feel like lying's okay. A parent may tell small lies to keep a child from worrying about a missing stuffed animal or calm their fear of getting a shot from the doctor's office. Often it's perceived as being compassionate and considered a pro-social lie, which entails a person is lying to prevent harm to another person. But as we enter adulthood, those smaller lies often continue, and many adults feel like they're put in situations where lying is the only ethical option. If a person asks you how they look on their wedding day, for instance, there is only one acceptable answer, despite what your honest opinion may be. In a work setting, the same may be true when it comes to interactions with your boss or in situations where you feel the need to prevent someone else's embarrassment or discomfort when receiving criticism. The question becomes whether this type of lie is less harmful than being honest from the start. If every lie told could prevent harm to another person without any ill effects, it would make the answer more clear if lying is ever undeniably bad. But in reality, falsely telling someone they did a fantastic job when they did not, or letting someone believe they are a contender for promotion when they are not, can result in more harm than good. To help encourage more honesty in our professional and personal life, we need to avoid lies and make sure we're creating settings where we feel comfortable in telling the truth and helping others they can feel they can do so as well. By being honest as much as possible, we can create conditions where those around us feel heard and believed. This will stop the deception of positive intent. When some may choose to stick with honesty as the best policy, if we do choose to tell a lie or skew the truth in some way, consider the following two factors: the size and intention of the lie. Are your reasons pro-social, paternalistic, or are they purely deceptive and malicious? And the potential repercussions if you're caught. While it may be the best policy, as we've seen, the truth is not the only policy. Some lies are necessary and even justified. Even if the lie seems harmless at the surface, it's important to weigh these considerations before deciding if it is better left unsaid. And remember, for being honest, it's easier to keep our story straight and we won't have a negative impact on our mental health, like feeling guilty about our deceit.